Firefighter podcast. Todd, Ash. We've been doing some work with our Stabilization Maze. So we didn't come up with this concept. This is a great concept though. Nice and heavy base to it. We put some 2x4s down. We did add some playing cards just so that way it's not always the same maze. We can tell the guys to go there like 6, 4, just tell them to go wherever. And basically, it's a way to practice stabilization without needing vehicles and stuff. And you know, inside Canada it's cold, so that's what we're doing right now. So let's see how it works. So Todd's my cribbing person. Ash is running the lift bags. Stay up on red. On crib. Roll. Perfect. That's what you do. Okay. So really quick, simple. This one takes a little bit to build, but it's a nice, simple way to practice in the cold. Be safe. Stay BTFF.